Let's dive into Contextual AI's new reranker. It's a state-of-the-art instruction-following reranker, and it's going to change how you think about search. So I'm going to start here showing you this using the API without a client. We're going to start by looking at some product-related documents from a variety of different sources. I want my query to be about safety. We're going to ask the reranker to prioritize official safety notices. When I do this with a traditional reranker, you see it falls short. The re-ranked documents don't prioritize safety. Now, let's try this with Contextual AI. And you see we even have a specific field for instructions. Now when I run the re-ranker, you'll see the official safety result is at the top, and I can rest easy. Now this is the power of an instruction following re-ranker. There's so many possibilities for steering your retrieval process. It could be around recency, the type of document, section titles, anything else inside your content, or that you add as metadata. Now, if your data has a specific metadata field, you can use that with the re-ranker. So here's the same example, but I want to show you how to use it with a Python client along with a metadata field. Again, it's very easy to do. We're going to help you out with all those messy retrieval problems. But hey, even if you don't use the instruction following capability, you're still getting a state-of-the-art re-ranker. So go sign up, get an API key, and try it out.